Okay, so today me and Chris have a special video for you. We all know that Valentine's Day has nothing to do with the guy, as it shouldn't. It's all about the ladies, right? You want flowers, chocolates, nice dinners, all of that, right? Well, my wife has always been a little different about Valentine's Day. She always makes Valentine's Day about me. Like most guys, I'm a simple guy, so she normally makes me one of my favorite dishes, or she comes up with something new. So if you want to make a special dinner for your guy that's easy and not expensive, give this video a thumbs up right now, because we're gonna show you how to make a slutty vegan burger. Now I know what you're thinking, you're not supposed to say the word slutty, but hear me out. So last summer, this food truck came on the scene in Atlanta. It was vegan, it was burgers. It was black owned, it was female owned. People went crazy for this thing. 3 hours in the line crazy. You had celebrities, you had Snoop there, ATL rappers, comedians from Instagram there. Like everybody was showing up to support this new black owned business. So of course, Chris wanted to support, but she didn't want to stand 3 hours in line being pregnant with our 6th baby. So I promised her after she had the baby, we'll go down there, we'll wait in line, we'll make it an event, and we'll make a whole thing out of it. But something amazing happened in January. They opened a physical store. So we were like, all right, that's dope. We don't gotta wait in line. We just go in the store, pick up our burgers, we good to go. Last night, we packed up the kids, put them all in the minivan, drove down to ATL, and this is what happened.
We're pulling up to Slutty Vegan right now. It looks very busy. Is that the line?
I hope that's not the line.
That looks like the line. Hold on, let me show you guys, because this is out of control. This restaurant is the... People like to act like California is where everything is happening, but honestly, this is... That is the line, I believe.
What the hell?
That is the line. That is the line. That is the line, and that is the restaurant.
That is the line.
That is the restaurant. That was the line.
What?
I don't know. I don't know.
Wait, what?
I don't know if you guys saw that.
That can't be real.
That was real. That was real.
Wow, that's nuts.
I don't know if you guys even can fathom what that was. I've never seen anything like that before. If you want to know what a vegan revolution looks like, come down to Slutty Vegan in Atlanta.
I didn't think it was going to be a line because it's tucked away.
No, people know.
Jumping in that line while the hype is
Do you
still
want to just
high?
there's a Kroger right there. You want to just wait in the parking lot for like 15 minutes and see? Okay. We're not going to go home just yet. We're going to stick it out and we're going to see if the line can get a little shorter. I'm excited. Like I could cry right now how happy I am for her. Like she is such a hard worker. Everything that I've read about her and her work ethic and her team. Shout out to the Slutty Vegan team. Come out and support her if you guys can. Also, this is only the beginning. This is like the beginning of Chipotle. The first Chipotle that opened back in, I don't know, whenever. And there were lines around the block and shit. Like, this is it. Slutty Vegan is gonna be the next big franchise to revolutionize veganism across this country. We'll reconvene. Bye for now.
We totally think that Slutty Vegan is gonna blow up all over the country, but I don't know if I can wait 3 hours in line for a burger. And full disclosure, we did a little research and we know what burger patties that they use at the restaurant. They use the Impossible Burger and they use the Beyond Burger. And we've actually tried both of those burgers. Here's the footage of us trying those burgers.
What's missing?
Something weird about the taste. There's something weird about the patty taste itself. I'll taste it without the barbecue sauce.
I really like it though. And I'm glad too because the manager or whoever made it this time just made it way better than the first 2 times. How is it? Is that how you remember when you made it at home? Or is it better?
Better.
Good.
When they first came out, I tried it and they tasted pretty good, but it definitely improved the formula and it tastes a lot better now. So
Barbecue sauce, man. This barbecue sauce,
barbecue sauce
fire.
and the way they grilled it too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So I got the Impossible Burger from Grindhouse Killer Burgers. So this is gonna be my second time trying it. The first time I didn't like it. Hopefully it's different now. So here goes.
Hey, Crystal, we're not gonna be here till 2 o'clock. Can you?
I like that it's hot. It still has that weird mushroom taste to it that I don't quite like. But I get why people say it tastes like a lot like beef.
Definitely does.
It does have a beefy like feeling or taste to it, but that overwhelming taste of mushroom is very... I have mushrooms on it, but I know it's not the mushrooms that are on it. It's the actual patty itself has an overwhelming mushroom taste to it. It's not bad. It's not the best, but it's not bad. Now, as you can see, we're not too excited about the Impossible Burger. And the burgers that we wanted to order from Slutty Vegan has the Impossible Burger in it. But we were still gonna go down to support. So we pulled up yesterday to the line and we saw how long it was and we were like, you know what? Let's go ahead and park up. We'll wait a little while and maybe it'll die down.
That is the sign right there.
The line is still insane. I recognize some of the people in that line. They were in the same spot they were in 30 minutes ago. Now, if you're all about, you know, making new friends, waiting in line for an event, that kind of thing, you know, I'm not knocking you for doing it. It's just for us at 48 degrees with 6 small children, one of them being a 1-year-old and another being a 3-month-old. It just wasn't feasible for us. So we figured we'd stop at the grocery store and pick up the supplies for the burgers that we wanted and make the burgers at home ourselves. So last night we made the burgers and whew. So we woke up early this morning and we were like, okay, we gotta show you guys how to make these burgers. If you guys wanna support, go ahead and check her out at the restaurant. I think the food truck is also still out there, but go ahead and follow on Instagram, all of their social media, and show them some love. This is the way that we're gonna show our support. Spread the word about the restaurant, and we're also going to make burgers that are inspired by Slutty Vegan. Because realistically, we know it's gonna take a while for them to be nationwide. So in the meantime, you can make these burgers until it comes to your city. Alright, now as you can see on the menu, you can pretty much get any of these things at you know, Whole Foods, Sprouts, or whatever the case may be, with the exception of vegan shrimp. I would say to replace that with Gardein crab cakes. Or if you want to make the shrimp from scratch, they'll have them at international food markets, so you can always go there as well. Today we're going to be making the Dancehall Queen. So we're going to be using some grilled onions, cheddar cheese, lettuce, tomato, sweet jerk plantain on a Hawaiian bun. So you got romaine, you got red onions, grape tomatoes. I recommend Maya tostones. I got them from Publix, but the reason I recommend them is because they're already flattened, so they work perfectly for your sandwich. Any kind of crinkle cuts. We use Oreata sometimes. We normally make our own vegan TVP burgers, as you can see in the video I'm going to link at the top there. But just to make it a little quicker for the sake of the video, today we're choosing to use the Sprouts Griller Veggie Burgers, Diet Cheddar Cheese Style Shreds, Cutting Board Collection, because that's the new improved version. I got some Hawaiian bread from Kroger, some jerk seasoning, vegan mayo, and Thousand Island, which again you can mix with a little bit of mayo and some agave to make a special Big Mac sauce type special sauce. And I got the griller in and I got some fries in. I went ahead and steamed up my tostones. So all I gotta do now is add the jerk sauce and we'll be good to go. Alright, so I'm just making the jerk sauce real quick. You can add as much seasoning as you want to your spicy liking, because it is pretty spicy. It says mild, but it's pretty spicy. Add your little agave, top it off with a little bit of water, and that's it. You just mix, and you'll have a little jerky jerk sauce for your Dancehall Queen. You pierce it, and then you pour your sauce in there. Get your seasonings on the top there, and then you put the steam for a couple minutes, and it should be good to go.
And why do you do it like that?
You do it like that so that the seasoning is on the top there. It's going to permeate the tostones once you steam it, and it's going to taste amazing. All right, so here's the secret to making the whole burger pop with that flavor. It's not gonna look pretty in the pot, but when it's all done and it comes together. So now we're gonna put our cheese on top. If you want, you can put the fire back on. You don't have to. If you do, just put it on really low.
Does the plantain need to be turned or anything?
No. We're gonna just keep that the way it is. If you want, you can add a little bit of water to help with the steaming of the cheese. It'll melt the cheese much faster. And you're good to go. And you just throw them in the pot with some butter. If you caramelize them, you can put as much onions as you want or as little onions as you want. Some guacamole on it. You want to make it a fussy hussy dancehall queen. You want to make it a dancehall queen with a one-night stand. Whatever you want to do. Think about whatever your man likes. You know, if he likes extra jalapenos, you know, if he likes extra bacon, you can do it all. He'll enjoy it. Simple as best. You know what your husband likes or what your boyfriend likes, and you know, just put that on a burger. He'll love it. Okay, and to the fellas, if you treat every day like Valentine's Day, who knows? Valentine's Day will come and your wife or your girlfriend is gonna want to do something special for you. So that's how it is over here, and that's the advice I can give you. All right, so now I'm putting the sandwich together. This is what I saw in the pictures when I went on Yelp. So they added their lettuce at the bottom. So that's what I do. Over here we have our caramelized onions. As you can see, they're all caramelized and mixed together and all that good stuff. Got our melted cheese on our bun, and I did move the tostones, but there's our tostones. I've made this sandwich already.
Last night. Right?
Last night, and it was amazing. So I'm gonna do it exactly how I did it last night. So we go ahead and add our onions. Them onions smelling good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Huzzah.
Huzzah. Next, you add your tostones. Look at that. With the jerk on there. Ooh, child. All right. And
I was like, dumb.
I was like, dumb.
I was like, dumb.
Dumb. And then you add your burger on there.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Woof.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Next is the tomato, whatever you like to say. Add that on there. And let's see, I'm gonna go back, let me see. Plant-based patty with grilled onions, vegan cheddar cheese, lettuce, tomato, sweet jerk plantain on a Hawaiian bun. All we did was add some mayo. Put a little $1,000 on the top there.
Ooh.
Right?
Ooh.
Right? Ooh, yeah.
Bow chicka bow. Bow chicka bow.
Yeah.
That's the stuff right there. Ooh, stuff is happening over here. I'm gonna close on that. How was that first bite?
It's off the chain right here.
What's doing it for you?
The jerk sauce. The Hawaiian bun. And Thousand Island gives it like a nice little sweetness to mix with the savory. The cheese, the caramelized onions, everything is just coming together. Thank you for the idea, Slutty Vegan. I'm gonna be making this burger very often now. This is like crazy. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And if you know you got a hungry guy that's considering going vegan or you want him to go vegan, make him one of these.
I'm literally getting distracted by this burger.
Make him one of these.
Woo!
With your favorite vegan patty. I've tried the Impossible Burger, which they use at Slutty Vegan, and I've also tried the Beyond Burger. I like the Beyond Burger. I do not like the Impossible Burger. The aftertaste is very weird to me. Yeah, and that's the main reason why I'm not going to stand 3-4 hours in line just to taste the Impossible Burger again. It's not gonna happen. If you enjoyed this video and you want more content like this, leave a comment below. Let us know what you guys want to see next. Also like, comment, subscribe, share, and you know, we'll keep it coming for you. But I'm gonna go back to this sandwich. Yeah, that's crazy, my friend. Oh my God. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye guys. Happy Valentine's Day.